I'm repurposing this wall decor piece that I used in a previous project and using it to create a simple floral arrangement for summer. I removed that faux leather, painted over the areas that peeled up, and sealed it. Now I found these tulip bunches at Michael's on sale for under $2 each and knew they'd be perfect for this project. I cut down floral foam to fit the shallow box frame and glued them all in place. To add the flowers, I simply pulled each bunch off of the wire stems and pushed them into the foam so that the flower sits just above the edge of the box. I spaced them as evenly as I could, but I wasn't too worried because my arrangement will be on a shelf. I used 5 of these bunches, but one more would have made this really full. I also added a little bit of the greenery just for some added dimension. And to finish it off, I added some moss to cover any gaps for a floral arrangement that's neutral and can be used as a centerpiece on just about any surface.